Namaste. Let's understand how we can really help ourselves in this scenario of rise in COVID. Cases in Karnataka, especially in Bangalore, have been raising and the numbers are also alarming. The new variant, as we all know, is Omicron, but yes, some test positive for Omicron, some may not, but overall, we see the rise in COVID. So, the coronavirus disease is not new to us anymore. It's been 2 years, over 2 years rather, and we all understand how we can upkeep our health with the present situation. First of all, though the cases are going up, we need to keep our mood in place, our anxiety in place, so that our mind is always ready to fight and help the body to improve its responses. So this is the most crucial point as we start now, to relearn better ways of living, better ways of good health. First of all, let's understand and let me also share some tips which can help us stay fitter in these unprecedented times, in these time testing period. First of all, it starts with our lifestyle. A person who has good lifestyle is less vulnerable to health problems. So please sleep on time. When I say on time, you should preferably sleep before at least 11 a.m., keeping in mind the scenario of the living, especially in the cities. So, if you can clock and be on your bed at 10 p.m., it's well and good. Try to wake up by 6 o'clock so that the early morning sunlight also enables your body to get energized. As Ayurveda says, waking up during the Brahmi Muhurta is the ideal time, that is between 4 to 6 am in the morning. Once you wake up, have a glass of water, warm water once you freshen up, and then do not forget to take steam. A simple tip and a very useful tip, do take steam. Use essential oils such as tea tree oil, which is an anti-infective oil. Use certain Ayurveda based drops which can also give you better relief after steam. And then you can use Anutaila, which is very commonly available in any other Ayurveda store. Start your day with this because you need to keep the health of your upper respiratory tract, which is the most essential part to really keep you away from the COVID virus. So once you begin this way, then obviously you'll have your own regimen of exercise, and do not forget to include yoga there because yoga is an essential part of your life, especially during this time, and it can improve your respiratory immunity. Lung functions are greatly impacted with regular practice of yoga. Do a deep breath, you understand how much you can really breathe well. The shorter your breath, the lesser is your lung capacity. You can also test, try to exhale completely and see, can you really, take a long breath as you exhale? So test yourself. But if you're not able to, you need not panic or get anxious about it. Just work on it. You can always take help of doctors, professionals in the field of yoga to understand more about the same. So likewise, next comes your food, time of eating. Your breakfast, lunch, and dinner is very important. And what does your food contain is the next most crucial aspect. Have all the micronutrients in your food and have your food rich in vitamins, protein, and of course carbohydrates to support and give you that energy. But you definitely keep in mind that most of you may be having sedentary lifestyle, that is, you may be working from home, so you may be there, hooked onto your desks. So you can definitely reduce on your carbohydrate intake. So simple lunch, can have a mix of rice or roti or chapatis with a lot of vegetables. So 50% of your plate has to be filled with vegetables. And you can also use milk products such as buttermilk because it can aid digestion. But since it's winter, Always add a bit of ginger, a dash of ginger into your buttermilk. Will see that you do not catch a cold or a cough. So, in the night, how do you close your day? Dinner has to be at least 2 to 2.5 hours before you go to bed because this enhances your digestion and this will keep your gut health good. Good gut health is always crucial once again for good health. Everything starts from the stomach. The Agni or the digestive fire has to be intact for you to stay healthy and beat all the the external factors or the enemies which attack your body. So at bedtime, ensure you do practices such as Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama and Brahmari Pranayama, which can give you a good night's sleep. Because a good night's sleep is once again essential for good health. So overall, stay fit, stay healthy, have a good lifestyle, keep a tab on what you eat, how you eat, and also a tab on when you sleep and how good you sleep. And overall, therefore, understanding all this is extremely important for us to keep our immunity, for us to keep away these viruses such as Omicron from attacking us. We are amidst definitely the crucial phase, but the more resilient we are, the more healthier we will be. Thank you. Keep watching. Namaste.